Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pnut, the Squirrel token. Ticker symbol is Pnut, P-N-U-T. Now this is an extremely popular token on the Solana blockchain. There's been many spin-off tokens come out based off this token here. This is a meme coin you can find on SoulScan, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and it just got a very big central exchange listing starting this morning. Elon Musk has been tweeting about this squirrel. It's been in the news. It's just a very, very popular meme, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I actually wasn't going to do a video on this token. I saw it yesterday. I uploaded a bunch of videos yesterday on very popular tokens, and then I realized, oh, I should have done a video on this Pnut token. It looks very popular. And then I woke up this morning and Elon Musk had tweeted about it a couple times with different tweets, and it was just insanely popular, and the market cap just exploded. And kind of kicking myself, going, oh, I should have done a video on this yesterday. What was I doing? Because, I mean, there's so many knockoffs too, so just be careful. Like right now, there's a token trending #1 on Dex Screener that came out 23 hours ago with the ticker symbol Pnut, P-E-A-N-U-T. Now that is not this token, and there's many other ones that are spin-offs. There's one on the Ethereum blockchain, one on other chains. But if you just take the contract address and you put it into Dex Screener or Dex Tools, you'll see that, I mean, this is the biggest one right here, and it got a central exchange listing. We'll get into that in a second. But the market cap for this Pnut token here is $81.4 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, their 24-hour trading volume today, $257.1 million. Insanely popular token. I mean, that is, you know what, over $250 million in 24-hour trading volume. That is insane. They've had 187,273 transactions. They have $2.2 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.06% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is 8.2 cents per token, and it was just announced that this token just got a big central exchange listing starting today, November 3rd at 8 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. This token became available on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, an easy way to get it, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PNUT, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token got listed on a bunch of other exchanges too, like Lbank, I believe Bitmart, I mean XT, I think. There's so many of them. There's too many to even go over. But you can get the token off Mexc Global is a real easy way. It's already available on there now. This token pair was actually created 3 days ago on Raydium, so it's not like a brand new token that just came out, but it just became insanely popular overnight. Even it was popular yesterday, but now it's insanely popular because of course the Elon Musk tweet boosts every token here. So Pnut the Squirrel has been stolen by the state of New York, and it's our job to spread the message and get him released. Do your part. Once free, we'll continue to support and celebrate Pnut. So this squirrel was confiscated from a gentleman. I believe there's tons of videos and pictures of him with the squirrel. I believe he had it in his house, maybe taking care of it. I haven't read the full article, but there's a giant news article about it. Probably lots now that Elon tweeted about it. Too many. There's probably even fake news out there about it. But they have a Telegram you can follow at PNUT Portal. 1,782 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter at PNUT Solana. Basically, I'm going to you'll be able to see that link right there in the Mexc global listing announcement right there. And that'll be a link to their Twitter over there where you can find all sorts of updates and things like that about this project. Now, if Mexc Global is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can also get this token off of Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Solflare or Phantom wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Twitter, Telegram, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address because, like I said, there's so many copycat tokens out there. Now, if you go to this webpage linked on Dex Screener, it'll take you to a petition page, change.org, where they actually are taking signatures. It says call for justice for Pnut the Squirrel, and they're trying to get 50,000 signatures, and right now it says they have 48,229 signatures, and it says over 10,700 people have signed just today. So then they have the whole story here about Pnut the Squirrel, getting arresting a squirrel. And yeah, big articles about it, like mentions internet rallies behind Instagram famous pet squirrel named Pnut that was taken by the state of New York. And it has this guy with his squirrel here. So he's a social media star, and they seized this squirrel from his New York home, leaving fans upset. So there's tons of stories about this. You can read all about it. But yeah, Pnut gets the Elon Musk tweet, and now this token is exploding with $253 million 24-hour trading volume. That is insane. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.